Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I hope you are doing well and improving your English every day. Hello everyone, today we are back with another important and common speaking topic. Yes, and today's topic is a person who inspires you. That's a very meaningful topic. Everyone has someone who inspires them in life. Absolutely. So let me start first. The person who inspires me the most is my father. That's nice. Can you tell me more about him? Yes, of course. He is a very hardworking and disciplined person. He wakes up early every day and follow a proper routine. That sounds impressive. What do you like most about him? I really admire his positive attitude. Even in difficult situations, he stays calm and focused. That's a great quality. Has he influenced your life? Yes, definitely. I have learned many important lessons from him, like the value of time and hard work. He always motivates me to improve myself. That's really inspiring. Yes, because of him, I am becoming more responsible and confident. That's great to hear. Now, let me share my answer. Yes, I would love to hear that. The person who inspires me the most is my elder brother. That's interesting. Why does he inspire you? He is very focused and hardworking. He always sets clear goals and works hard to achieve them. That's a very strong quality. Yes, and he never gives up, even when things are difficult. That's really motivating. I have seen him handle problems with patience. Instead of complaining, he looks for solutions. That's a great mindset. Yes, and because of him, I have started thinking more positively. That's a big change. He also guides me in my studies and encourages me to improve my skills. That's really supportive. Yes, I feel lucky to have him in my life. So, what have you learned from him? I have learned the importance of discipline, hard work, and patience. That's wonderful. Yes, and I want to become like him in the future. That's a great goal. Do you think having a role model is important? Yes, I think it is very important. A role model gives us direction and motivation. I agree, they help us stay focused on our goals and they teach us important life lessons. Exactly. So, listeners, think about a person who inspires you. Who is that person? What qualities do they have? And what have you learned from them? Try to speak about it in English. It will improve your fluency and confidence. Thank you so much for listening. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next episode. Take care and keep practicing. Okay, bye. Goodbye.